everybody, so today I'm going to talk about why you shouldn't blame others outside of you. The first reason is it keeps you distracted and it keeps you away from learning from your failures. The more distracted you are, the more likely you're going to blame others. The second reason why people usually blame others is they try to avoid negative feelings such as anger, embarrassment, and guilt. It's very important to confront these, or you're going to continue to blame other people for your own issues. And last but not least is people tend to avoid responsibility. They don't want to take responsibility for their own actions, so of course it's going to be very easy to blame other people. I hope you found this video very useful. If you liked this video, make sure you like it and make sure you subscribe below, and otherwise I'll see you in the next video.